Hi everyone, I'm Giselle Quintana of Lavender Lux Estates from GoRealty.ph Premier. Welcome back to my channel. Alam niyo guys, every time I drive here sa Santa Rosa, I always feel a different kind of energy. It's not just the fresh air or the open spaces. It's the feeling that something big is happening here. Today, we are going on a very deep dive and pag-uusapan natin ang Zadia here in Greenfield City. Bakit nga ba ito tinatawag na Greenspiration at bakit dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, specifically inside the 400-hectare Greenfield City, dapat nakafocus kayo as an investor or as someone na looking for a forever home? Stay with me for the next few minutes because we are going to peel back the layers of this development, visualizing the future infrastructure, the upcoming schools, and the lifestyle that awaits you. Tara! Before we talk about the condo towers, kailangan nyo munang maintindihan kung nasan tayo ngayon. We are inside Greenfield City and this isn't just a neighborhood, it's a 400-hectare self-sustaining eco-city. Ang vision ng Greenfield Development Corporation is very simple. The park is the development and everything else is an amenity. Let that sink in. Because sa Manila, pag sinabi mong park, usually maliit na square lang yan sa gitna ng mga building. Pero dito, the whole city is designed to be a park. Zadia is actually referred to as Santa Rosa's first upscale vertical community na may Greenspiration because 80% of the land here is dedicated to open spaces. Isipin nyo, in a 3.6-hectare development, halos buong paligid mo ay greenery. And we are talking about green walls, vertical gardens, and tree-lined walkways. It's like living inside a resort that you actually own. And before we talk about the towers, let's talk about the soil. Yung Zadia, hindi lang siya basta-bastang condominium na itinayo sa tabi ng kalsada. It is located inside Greenfield City and think of it as the new BGC of the South. But with more soul and definitely more trees. Ang philosophy dito is green living because 80% of the development ni Zadia is dedicated to open spaces, roadways, and greeneries. Imagine that, in Metro Manila, space is a luxury, pero dito, the luxury is the air you breathe and the space you move in. And now, let's talk about the accessibility. Napaka-importante nito. We have the Calax or the Cavite-Laguna Expressway and the South Luzon Expressway. If you're from Makati or BGC, you can be here in 45 to 50 minutes. And if you're coming from Tagaytay for a quick coffee, it's just a 20-minute drive. You're at the center of everything, pero pag uwi mo dito sa Zadia, para kang pumasok sa isang sanctuary. If you're working naman in Alabang, it's a breeze because if you have meetings in BGC or Makati, it's less than an hour away. And since we're at the gateway of the South, weekend trips to Tagaytay are just 20 minutes away. Now, let's look into my crystal ball. Bakit ba smart move ang mag-invest dito ngayon? First, the University Belt of the South. Guys, hindi na kailangan lumuwas ng mga kids nyo sa Manila. We already have DLSU Laguna Campus nearby. We have Xavier School New Valley and Miriam College. But wait, there's more. The UST Santa Rosa is finishing its massive campus just a few minutes away. Isipin nyo yung potential rental demand from students, professors, and staff. And as a real estate agent, I always tell my clients, follow the schools because wherever there is top-tier university, land value and rental yields follow. And infrastructure-wise, continuous yung road developments dito with the expansion of the Greenfield City Unilab interchange. Getting in and out of this estate is becoming even more seamless. We're also seeing more wellness-focused project and that's more green space for your future kids to run around in. Living in Zadia means having the best lifestyle hubs as your neighbor. Walking distance lang tayo sa Paseo Outlets, Laguna Central, and Arcadia. If you like shopping for brands like Nike, Adidas, or Mark & Spencer's at outlet prices, this is your heaven. Pero more than the shopping, of course, it's the lifestyle. There are wide pavements for running, open spaces for yoga, and even paddle and basketball courts nearby. And for your healthcare needs, the Medical City South Luzon is right here. So everything you need for a well-lived life is within a 5-minute radius. This is why it's called powerful, growing, and it has everything. As an entrepreneur, I also look at numbers. Currently, in 2026, we are seeing a steady climb in property values here in Santa Rosa. If you're an OFW or a professional looking for a passive income machine, Zadia is perfect for Airbnb or long-term rentals. Why? Kasi napapaligiran tayo ng industrial parks, the Greenfield Auto Park, and Laguna Technopark. These are hubs for global giants like Mitsubishi and Toyota, and ang daming expats at engineers na naghahanap ng high quality, secure, at magandang condominium malapit sa work nila. For as low as certain monthly investment, you are securing a piece of the Lion City of the South. You're not just buying a condominium, you are buying into the master plan of Greenfield Development Corporation. So there you have it, a full look at Zadia in Greenfield City. Is it a place to live in? Definitely. The wellness, the greenery, and the community are unmatched. Is it a place to invest in? Absolutely. With upcoming schools and infrastructure, you are looking at a gold mine. If you want to see the site for yourself or if you want a detailed computation tailored to your budget, huwag kayong mahihiyang mag-reach out. I'm Giselle Quintana of Lavender Locks Estates. You can message me on my Facebook page, Instagram, or just comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa real estate deals dito sa South. Because here at Lavender Locks, we don't just find you a house, we find you a future. See you on my next vlog.